Hello everyone, this is Krishnamurthy. Today I would like to share my opinion on 8 common problems faced by Indian engineering students. The, the problems are, the first problem is Indian engineering students are not having mathematical conceptual clarity. 45% students out of 100 are failing frequently in mathematical examinations. Students from IITs and NITs are also failing in this. This is due to the improper conceptual clarity. If this is if this problem is reduced, then we will produce more effective and efficient engineering students. And coming to second problem, poor research and development programs. When compared to other countries, India is a little bit lower in offering research and development programs. 325 members out of a million engineering students are placed in research and development departments. This is due to their improper or poor technical know-how. If engineering universities, that means engineering colleges, adopt research and development programs, students were technically encouraged in theory, not practical part of subject. So this will increase the efficiency of Indian engineering students. Coming to next problem, faculty and laboratory facilities. 55% of engineering colleges are not offering proper library facilities and laboratory facilities. This is also a recent survey of a popular newspaper. So coming to faculties, uh, India is a little bit lower in having efficient faculties because uh, stu- effective and intelligent students are getting placements in reputed companies, and remaining students who can't complete their course in time are working as faculties. So this results in improper knowledge distribution. So if merit students, that means effective students are will if effective students work as faculty in engineering colleges, then technology is uniformly distributed around the country. And next problem is placement problems. India is having more human resource when compared to other countries. Even though we are having largest human resource, we are not having proper companies that recruit students from engineering side. Popular MNCs like Tata Motors, Mahindra Group are preferring students from IITs and NITs because of their course structure. That means companies require well equipped students. That means students having proper knowledge on research and development programs. So when compared to other universities, IITs and NITs are having more practical work. So that's why students are preferably hired in that uh, reputed companies. Next problem is drug addiction. Out of 100 students, 60% of students are drug addicting day by day. This is due to depression and fear on education. That means the course structures are designed in too much constrained versions. That means students are feeling depressed due to the course structure examination patterns. If students are not habituated for examination, so they feel irritated and frustrated due to this depressive moods. Students are committing suicides in IITs and NITs. So if the course structure is designed as per the mindset of students, then it will reduce this negative impact. And next problem is problems due to integrated courses. See, many universities are offering integrated courses. That means BTech with MBA, BTech with MTech within 5 years. Due to this integration of courses, students are not getting proper knowledge on the field. That means if a student is uh, who can learn actual theory, that means actual subject in 6 years, is constrained to learn within a short span. So results dip, uh, this results a pressure on the mind of students. So students can't get a proper knowledge on their course. Next problem is course structure variations from university to to universities. See, some universities are preferring more mathematics and core subjects, and some universities are including environmental sciences like other disciplines of other subjects of other departments. That means mechanical students are facing subjects of electronics, some from electrical. So this improper course structure is resulting variations between students from universities to universities. So this is also one of the problem. If uniform course structure is distributed along entire country, then there is no variation between student to student. The variation lies only with their knowledge, not in technical approach. And next problem is ragging and anti-disciplinary actions. Even though our government gave 33% of reservation for women, women are not joining educational institutions. That means prefer majorly in engineering side due to this anti-discipline activities. Our government introduced some rules and regulations for discipline in universities, but they are not effectively working in practical. If we increase these rules and regulations, that means if we stricten these rules, there will be a change in attitude of some students. That will be beneficial for all. So these are some of the common problems faced by Indian engineering students. As prevention is better than cure, if we prevent these problems, we will produce effective and intelligent engineering students who will uh, forward our country in a technical development. Thank you. This is Krishnamurthy Sandhu.